There you go, y'all. That's where Slytherin will begin, off of Running Cedar, just past Chasers. Well, well, well. Check out this beaut. Nice little 3-4 feet. Man, what a gem. That's definitely 4 feet. What's up, buddy? Getting a little antsy, are you? So cool. All right, pal. All right, go do snek things. Well, y'all, on today's ride, it's time to find out how Miss Kissy Face Pretty Girl, come on, you, this way, darling, handles Snyder's knob and Wavelength goods. Keep that front end planted through that. So I didn't want to run Mildred down Meadowbrook Road to the trailhead for Stonecutter's Hollow. So we parked up on Fire Service Road. And it'll be a different take on it. It's nice because you kind of really start with some DH first before any real pedal time. Always so good getting into this. Got it. Albeit slower than molasses. I need to get up here and session that. A little drop on that first rock roll. Oh, come on, NX. I knew you were gonna do all that wonky shift stuff. Just knew it. And again. Okay. Time to cruise. Chimney over to Wavelength. Catch y'all directly. After a quick pause to catch my breath, time for some Wavelength. This way, darling. Now, it's been a hot little minute since I've been over here. So, wow, the leaves are dropping quick over here. That is so slippy. Yeah, so loose. Just float that little thing. Float that. No need to go crazy. I've got to learn to hit that. I'm gonna definitely have to session it. Man, that's rambunctious today. Oh, so loose. Wow. It is super loose. Wasn't feeling it today. No big deal. I'll get there. It is just super dry and I feel like I'm about to wash out everywhere. Wasn't the best. Did manage to get over the last one though. Just overthinking it. Yep. Yep. Good girl. You okay, baby? All right, y'all. On to running cedar and then over to chasers. It is so phenom having so many options to ride trails. Get it, girly. You got it, baby. Yo, I was on a roll too, but nah. Ah, that was a great run. Yeah, NX Lovins. Whew. Better than not good. That's all I got to say. I cannot tell y'all how happy I am with that cannibal up front. Wow. It is one stellar tire. Except for rain. Super wet conditions. Okay. Time to cruise over to Lower Slytherin. And now time for Lower Slytherin. Not going for any PR or anything. The main objective is just to see if I can clear that one hop over the bush and not case ridiculously hard. All right, coming up. Ah, no way. I gotta actually session that one. Go back and actually look at it and analyze it and ride it, because it's like not a full-size berm by a long shot coming into it. It's a little flattish. Now, it is super sticky, but it's not very confidence inspiring trying to maintain speed in that section. So it's just something I've really got to get comfortable with, leaning the bike more, trusting the side knobs, and maintaining that momentum through the corner. So I'll be ready for that. But on top of that, it's a quick little section and that feature hits real fast. And on the back side is the rain ditch. Yeah. She's a little spooky. And I have definitely hit that rain ditch every single time I've tried to hop it so far. Ah, good one. After a brief little pedal over here on the fire service road from the truck for a little hydration for the Miss Kissy Face Pretty Girl, drop in right here onto the good part of running Cedar DH. And I'm just gonna drop in at the lookout. Truck's parked right there. What a nice little finale. Oh yeah, y'all. Amazing. What a grand place to reside. With all of this, not so bad. It is truly a mini pedal park out here, y'all. If you're willing to put in a little effort, you can absolutely have the time of your life in Blacksburg on the MTB trails. But for Miss Kissy Face Pretty Girl and myself, like I said earlier, still have to go check a trap. So we are out of here. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here, pretty girl, beautiful. She might so beautiful. As always, we just say, thanks for tagging along. Get out there. Go love thy neighbors. And make sure you get the eye boogers out of your doggy. Doggy's eyeballs. All right, y'all. Bye.